Hi, I'm Mike Harris. I'm the equipment manager for LEM Construction.
My name's Tex Anderson. I'm one of the field techs here for LEM.
When I think of Tenna, I think it's a game changer for our company. In that before we did a lot of things in a manual fashion, old-fashioned way. We tried to keep up with it the best we could. It wasn't perfect. It allowed us to have data, but not perfect data. And I think now with Tenna, we are getting that perfect data through the amount of hours that each piece of equipment spends on a job. We know when a piece of equipment leaves, when it comes and goes. We know when a piece of equipment needs maintained, when it needs servicing. We didn't know that in the past. Again, it was just a guess. Now we know for sure. We have it programmed to alert us at 250 hours or 500 hours or 1,000 hours for each specific piece of equipment.
My most used feature would be the maintenance feature, because that's obviously what I'm here to do, and that helps me know when the ones that are coming up, which ones are already there, and how to prioritize. Okay, well, this is just an oil change. This one is down because of a broken hydraulic line, or a shifter's not working properly, or it's not going into neutral, they can't start. Something like that is more important. So this allows me to prioritize on getting stuff done throughout the day and the week.
We can recognize even at this point in time that the savings are there for us in so many different ways. Without revealing a lot of information about our financials, I can tell you that we know right now that our equipment costs are down, and substantially. And we think a lot of that has to do with our management through Tenna of our equipment, and we've never had that before. So in our opinion, it has paid for itself already. We're not waiting and making phone calls after phone calls. The information is at our fingertips because of Tenna. We can look at it, like I said, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We can look at it on our desktops. We can look at it on our phones. We can look at it on our iPads. Since we are able to integrate into Sage now, it gives our financial people updated current information. And I think that that's going to allow us to make better decisions on when we need to purchase new equipment, when we need to rent equipment.
When we first brought it on, wasn't quite sure how detailed, how intense it was going to be labor-wise, setting them up. Once we got them, John and the guys came down, we got everything set up, it was a breeze. It was way, way easier than what I thought it would be. Once they familiarized us with the app and they came down and did a training session with the superintendents, which helped them learn how to submit requests, how to let us know what they're needing, what's wrong. That was to me the biggest thing that helped us, is the other users being able to use this and communicate with us and let us know what's going on with them.
There's so many different aspects that it has changed for us since we started using Tenna. And I can't imagine not going back to the old ways. Tenna has been the best thing for us that I can imagine.